Hey guys, today I'd like to share with you how I made these cake pops. This was actually my first attempt at making them, so let me know down in the comment section below how you think I did. Was it a pass or was it a fail? If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now let's get started. You're going to start off by baking your cake. Today I decided to use 1 box of yellow cake mix for this recipe. Prepare the cake mix according to package directions. Allow the cake to cool down completely before removing the edges. This way, when you bite into the cake, you'll be able to see the same yellow color all throughout the cake pop. If you're preparing these cake pops for other people, make sure to use gloves during this part. Transfer the cake into a bowl, crumble it up a bit, then add 2 tablespoons of the frosting of your choice. I decided to add my homemade buttercream frosting. The link to my buttercream frosting recipe will be in the description box. I used 2 tablespoons of the cake mixture to form the balls. Place the balls in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes just until they firm up a bit. I purchased these candy wafers at my local craft store. Place candy wafers in a microwave-safe bowl, microwave for 30 seconds at half power or on defrost setting. Just a heads up, the wafers will not change shape while melting unless stirred. Repeat until wafers are completely melted. I repeated this step for about 3 times until the chocolate was completely melted. Go ahead and dip your cake pop stick, then insert it into 1/2 inch. This will act as a glue, so that when you dip your cake pop into the melted chocolate, it won't fall off the stick. You're going to allow the chocolate to set in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to dip your cake pops. Right after dipping the cake pops, I sprinkled on some edible glitter. Place the cake pop on a cake pop stand, or you can use styrofoam that has been covered with plastic wrap to hold them in place until the chocolate has set.